Hi, this is a washing machine. It is a domestic appliance that washes clothes and linens. It is a power-driven machine with an AC motors connected to 60 Hz power source so that the electrical energy can be converted into mechanical in order to facilitate and act of washing, rinsing, and spinning. It also includes wash and spin timers for automatic operations. And now, we go to the parts and functions of this appliance. First in line is the program selection control. It is a push button switch that controls the operation of the washing machine. This circuit has a timing sequence for low, medium, or high. It includes wash timer, spin timer, and program selector. Top cover. It is used to cover the top. Side cover top is the main housing of the unit. Drain hose serves as a passageway out. AC line cord is used to connect the unit from the power source. Water supply hose serves as inlet of water. Pulsator is a rotating part inside the tub and responsible in making the water spin. Drum. This serves as a washing tub. Now, we go to the common problem and its remedy.
What if the pulsator doesn't spin, but it vibrates and produces sound? First, remove all the foreign objects, such as clothes. Then put it away in a nice way.
That's all. Thank you.